Life is not a sprint, it's a marathon. During this race, we all have to go through different challenges, obstacles, and roadblocks. But take comfort in knowing you don't have to do life alone. Kara Barker's 100-day prayer journal, Hallelujahs and Hiccups, is packed with daily motivation and encouraging messages that will inspire you to reach your God-given potential. We will all experience hiccups in life, but it's how we respond to life's unexpected curveballs that will determine our ability to bounce back. Hallelujahs and Hiccups caters to women from all walks of life. Whether you're an executive in the corporate arena or a high school student, this daily dose of spiritual inspiration will help you navigate through life's daily challenges. Hallelujahs and Hiccups by Kara Barker. Order your copy today.